In this video, we'll show you how to build a beautiful website using Kadence AI. Kadence is a very popular and powerful WordPress theme. The AI integration makes it even more powerful. Kadence AI can help you create custom content for your website, build the layouts, choose suitable images, and much more, all in a short amount of time. As a prerequisite, you'll need a fresh new WordPress site up and running. You can get it from your favorite WordPress hosting and domain service. Liquid Web can be a good fit for this purpose. You can get it from the link in this video's description. Once your fresh WordPress site is live, then log into its dashboard and start customizing with Kadence AI. Now we're logging into our WordPress dashboard to show you how to use Kadence AI. Let's start. We have logged into our WordPress dashboard. Let's take a look at our site right now. Currently, this is how our site looks. This is the 2024 theme, but we will be using Kadence. Let us go back to our dashboard. And from here, we are going to hover our mouse over Appearance and then click on Themes. You can see that we are using the 2024 theme. To add another theme, we are going to click on the Add New Theme button. And from here, you can search for Kadence in this search box, or you can simply scroll down and find Kadence over here. Kadence is very popular, and because of this, it's always among the top themes. From here, we can click on Details and Preview. Here we can look at the description of Kadence, and to install it, we can simply click on this Install button. We're going to click on Install. As you can see, our theme has been installed. Now, with this button, we can activate the theme. So we are clicking on Activate button. And you can see that the theme has been installed, and as soon as the theme is installed and activated, you are going to see this notification over here. It says, "Thanks for choosing the Kadence theme. Get started with an AI-powered website." As we mentioned in this video, we are going to use the AI tools to create a website. With Kadence AI, it's going to help you choose a starter site for your website. For this, we need to install the AI Starter Templates. So we're going to click on this button. As you can see, that Starter Templates has been installed, and you can see a new option just below Kadence. And here is a button that says Activate Kadence AI Starter Templates or use Classic Starter Templates. You can use the starter templates that comes with Kadence, or you can use the AI to build a theme just for your business. So we are going to pick this option. Now, when you want to add the starter AI site, it's going to bring you to Kadence website. Here, you need to connect your website to your Kadence account. There are two options over here. Either you can continue for free, or you can purchase Kadence. If you have Kadence Pro, or if you have purchased any Kadence plan, you can enjoy the full access to Kadence AI, get access to premium blocks and dynamic content, and you'll have full access to the entire design library. This gives you all the benefits of Kadence and Kadence AI. But we are going to use the free version because this is also very powerful and it will give you access to so many of Kadence features. But for that, we first need to connect our Kadence account with our website. If you don't have a Kadence account, you can create one by visiting their website. We're going to click on this Continue Free button. Then it's going to lead you to this page. Here you can either log in with your existing Kadence account by adding your email address or username and then putting in your password. If you do not have a Kadence account, you can create a new account from here. So I'm going to show you how to create a Kadence account. From this section, we are going to add our email address. And in the password section, we are going to add in a password. After that, we are simply going to click on the register button. And then you have to verify your email address. So a verification code will be sent to this email account. So we are going to go to our email. And from the email, we are going to copy our verification code, or we can click on this verify your email button to verify our account as well. But we're going to use the code. Now we're going to add in the code and we're going to click on verify code button. Okay, so our email has been verified. And we have successfully connected our Kadence account with our WordPress website. After you do that, it's going to bring you to this screen. This is basically where you can describe your website to the AI, and it works like a setup wizard. You can see there are 5 steps over here, how it works: industry information, about your site, the details, photography, and after that you can just simply proceed to the final step, and it's going to suggest some starter templates based on the information you have given the AI. Okay, so this is the introduction. Here you can see it says introducing Kadence AI, our AI powered engine for creating websites. Once we're ready, we can click on this next button, and it's going to bring us to this section. Here you can see it says industry information. You can describe your business over here. On the right hand side, it gives you a little demonstration of how you can input your details. Here you can see it's written I am, a company name, Healing Touch. So this is the name of the company. And the next one is the location. It says where are you based. You can put in your business address. And finally, it says what industry you are in. In the example, it's written spa. If we click on this arrow, we can see even more information. I am an individual, your name, your service area, what industry are you in. So you can scroll through these different information and understand what details you have to put in here. For example, I want to create a website for a digital marketing company. In that case, we are going to first choose our language. Then from the I am section, we are going to choose a company. Then we are going to input our company name. We're calling it Bridge Digital. And here you can also see where are you based. You can put in your business address, you can put in your service area, or you can just select the online only. If you select the business address, you can see there's a new field where you can input your street address, city, state, zip code, country. You can also specify a service area where you are providing your service. For our company, we are going to select the online only option. Next, it's going to ask you what industry are you in. So this is an interesting field. For our purpose, it's a digital marketing agency. Once you start typing, it's going to suggest various business to you. So let's see how this works. As you can see, I have written digital here, and the AI is suggesting the industries: digital imaging technician, music production camp, photography community, marketing agency, effects producer, digital media portfolio, so many options. We already found what we are looking for, which is digital marketing agency, but let's go ahead and write marketing over here. Once I write market, you can see it has narrowed down to these 4 industries: digital marketing agency, digital marketing consulting firm, digital marketing portfolio, and digital marketing consultant. For our business, it's digital marketing agency specifically, so we are going to select this option. Now we are going to click on the next button. Here it says tell us about your business. Craft a brief description that explains who you are, your primary attributes, and highlight what differentiates you. Here you can put in the details of what your business is all about. Just like before, on the right hand side, you can see the description of a business. You can see it says Healing Touch is a leading massage therapy business renowned for our personalized, holistic treatments offered in a tranquil environment. So this is a description that you can take example from. If we click on this arrow, this is another example. You can go through these examples to understand what kind of information you have to put in over here. Also, you can see there's a limit. You will be given 1,000 characters to describe your business. We have already written our description, so let's just paste it over here. As you can see, we wrote a very general description. Here you can specify what your business is all about and everything else in here. After you write, you can also see there's an option that says Improve with AI. If I click on this button, you can see Kadence is working and it's actually improving our content. And if you approve of this, you can simply click on this use this copy, and it's going to use this writing for your description. So if I click on use this copy, you can see it has improved our content. After you're satisfied with this section, you can simply click on next. Here you can add some specific keywords for your business. Here are some suggested keywords for you, but you can type in whatever you want. We are going to choose a few keywords from these suggestions: digital marketing agency, content marketing, SEO, pay-per-click campaigns, social media marketing. All right. Again, here you can choose a tone for your site. The AI is going to write all the content of your site, and you can also choose what will be the tone of those content. So currently the neutral is selected. You can select professional, friendly, informative, engaging, trustworthy, conversational, persuasive. There are so many options. So we are going to choose the friendly and then click on the next button. In this section, you will be suggested some images. These are your featured images, and these are the suggested background images. From here, you can also specify the AI search collection. So if I click on this drop down, you can see there's the option of AI search collection. You can also choose a specific industry if you want. For example, the accessories and jewelry, agency, app, architecture, arts and crafts, bar, beauty, cafe, charity. But we want the AI search collection. Here you can also click on edit collection to edit these images on your own. If I click on this edit, you can see it brings us to this media library where you can add the caption of each images, or you can remove these images from your library. Okay, but we are satisfied with all these images. We are simply going to click on close, and we're going to click on generate base content, this button. Now we're going to wait because the AI is generating content for us, and we will be suggested some starter templates based on our description. So let's wait. So here are our suggestions. We have been suggested these 6 templates, and among these 6 templates, these 2 are only available in the Pro, and you can see that these are actually very well designed. If you have Kadence Pro, you will have access to all these content. We can choose from these 4 starter templates. So the first one, it's actually good. The second one is also good, and we can actually choose any design we want. We are going to choose this as it's looking really great. I'm going to click over here, and once I click on this theme, I can also change a couple of things. For example, the colors and the fonts. If I want, I can change the style of this website. From the highlight color, if I click over here, so if I choose this particular color, you can see that the color theme of this starter template has changed. So I can choose any of these given colors. So this color, the green color, the blue color, I can choose any color I want. For example, I want this color. You can also customize this color from this palette, and you can also see the highlight color over here. The background style is light. If we click on dark, you can see it will turn into a different contrast. So basically, what kind of website you want, you can design the color from here. If you want to change the background saturation, you can also do that by selecting either 0, 1, 2, or 3. It basically depends on you what kind of design you are looking for, but I think the first one is good. Again, the background brightness. Currently the dark is selected. You can choose darker or even the darkest. Basically, it's becoming even more dark. So it depends on what you're looking for. From the background style, I'm going to choose the light because this is looking a lot better for me. After this, we can click on this fonts tab. From this section, you can choose any type of font you want. You can see when I hover my mouse over a font, it tells me what kind of font this is. This is the Montserrat and Source Sans Pro. This is the Libre Franklin and Libre Baskerville. The Rubik and Carla, this is also a great font. We are going to choose this. And finally, after you're sure of your fonts and colors, you're simply going to click on the next button. Then it's going to bring you to the Content tab. Here you can see there are 3 pages: the Home, About, and Contact. If you do not want a particular page, you can simply deselect it. And to view the entire page, you can simply hover your mouse over this little arrow over here. It's going to give you a preview of the entire page. We want a contact page, so I'm going to click on it. And on the left-hand side, you can see there are two options. Import example blog posts. So if you want a blog section for your website, you can enable this. And import example WooCommerce products. So if you are trying to create a WooCommerce or an e-commerce website, by default, there will be no products. If you import some example products, it's going to help you visualize the design of the website. Therefore, if you are building a WooCommerce site, you can enable this option. In the advanced settings, if we expand it, you can see there are two more options. Import theme settings, import footer widgets. Normally, you would want to have these enabled. But if you are an advanced user and want to build some things from scratch, you can disable this. But for our website, we want the assistance of the AI, and we want the AI to build the footer, header, and other stuff. I'm going to fold up this advanced settings and finally click on the next button. In this section, you can choose the plugins you want. This basically makes your web building so much faster, as Kadence is going to ask you to install some plugins. For example, the Kadence blocks, which is required, you cannot disable this. If you're building a WooCommerce site, you can enable this. Give WP, the events calendar, event ticket, orderable, Kadence WooCommerce email designer, and solid security. Here you can simply choose the plugins you need, and the importer is going to install the plugins for you, which makes your web building experience a lot smoother and faster. For our website, we don't need this, so we are going to disable it, and we only need the Kadence blocks. Once you're ready, you can simply click on this Finish and Launch button over here or here. So I'm going to click on it and wait for the AI to import our starter site. Alright, you are so much closer to launch. We can simply click on See My Site to see how our website is currently looking, or we can go to My Pages section and start building our website from there. But I want to see how my website looks, so I'm going to click on this See My Site button. As you can see, our website importing is complete. Our logo is over here. We have the menu, the button over here, some social media links, the texts, buttons, images, everything is over here, and it's looking very nice. If we look at this section, alright, so this is a lot better. So when we want to customize our site, we can simply change the images and the texts to make this website our own. This is looking really great. If we go to the shop page, we don't have the shop page because when we were in the content section, we didn't see any shop page, but the menu item is still here, so we have to remove that. If we go to the about page, here you can see we have the testimonials, the welcome section, get to know the faces behind the Bridge Digital. Now if we scroll back up and the contact page, there's the way to contact us, the email section, address, phone number. Here's a form and FAQs. Great. Then if we go to the blog, here you can see we also have some blog posts as well. If I click on a post, we have some example posts over here. Great. Now let's scroll back up and let's click on this logo to go back to our homepage. So let's get back to our WordPress dashboard. Now let's customize a few things. First, in the menu, we don't want the shop item. To customize the menu, we can simply go to Appearance and click on Menus. And over here we can see this is our primary menu. You can also create another menu by clicking over here that says Create a New Menu. Name your menu and add in your pages. You can simply select the pages you want and then click on this Add to Menu to add those pages to this menu. But in our case, we want to remove a page or a link. Currently this shop page, there's no shop page. We want to simply click on this down arrow and click on this remove. And you can see our shop page has been removed. We just simply want to keep the home, about, and contact and the blog section. After you do this, just simply click on Save Menu and your menu will be saved. Now, if we look at our website, you can see our menu has changed. Now, in case you want to edit the header, it's really easy to do. What you can do is simply click on this Customize over here. and it's going to bring you to this customization menu. From here, just simply click on header, and this is going to bring you to the header builder. You can see there's the logo over here, the primary navigation, the socials, and the button. You can simply drag and drop these elements anywhere, and it's going to change your header accordingly. For example, I want this menu to be in the middle. I can simply drag it and drop it over here, or I can drag and drop it over here. Now this is looking a lot better. And for the join now, I'm going to remove this because we don't need a button. Alright, great. We can also put this on the top bar over here. Then it's going to create another top bar and put items over there. You can also put other elements. For example, if we want a search bar, we can simply drag it and drop it over here. You can see the color of the search bar isn't matching, but this can easily be changed from the design section. I'm not going to use the search function on my website, so I'm going to remove it and place the socials right after the menu. In order to change our logo, we can simply click on this logo, and from here we can select a logo from our media library, or we can upload a file, or you can see there's a new tab for pixels. You can use pixels to import images from here as well. You can also choose the logo layout. Currently the logo and title is over here. If you simply want the logo, it's going to only show the logo. If you want logo, title, and tagline, you can select this. But I think that logo and title is looking good. You can also choose how the logo will look. Currently logo is on the left and the text is on the right. You can change this, and you can see the logo is on the right and the text is on the left. You can choose any design you want. You can also choose your fav icon or site icon from here. Basically, that is how you can customize your header menu. To change in the design, for example, the search icon color, you can change it from this design tab. You can see the logo color, site title font, site title hover and active colors, and a lot more. Let's get back, and the same is for the footer. You can change the footer from here. If we scroll down, you can see the footer is over here. We can build our footer from here. If we click on the widgets, currently these are the widgets: socials, copyright, widget 1. For widget 1, you can see already there's some text over here. If we click on widget 1, you can see the texts are over here, and the same thing is being displayed over here. Okay, so you can simply click on widgets and use the Gutenberg blocks or Kadence blocks to design your footer. So that is how you can customize your header, footer, and you can change other options as well. Now, what if we want to add in our own content, our own images, our own text? Let's see how this can be done using the Kadence AI. After changing all your settings, click on this publish button to save your changes, and then click on close. And to edit these things, we can simply click on this edit page button. And here you can change your elements. Currently, the text over here that says welcome to Bridge Digital, you can change it. You can also add in more text. And here's an image. In order to change the text, we can simply grab it over here and write whatever we want, or we can use the power of AI to suggest some text for us. For example, I want some more text over here. I'm simply going to click on this icon over here that says Kadence AI. And if you get disconnected with your Kadence account, you're going to see this option that says Activate Kadence AI. And now I'm going to click on this Activate Kadence AI button. We actually got disconnected with our Kadence account. That's why it was asking for the login. So now if I click on this icon, we can ask the Kadence AI to edit our text, or we can choose any option from here. Improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, make shorter, make larger, simplify, change the tone. We can choose any option. For example, we want to improve the writing. I'm going to click over here, and it's going to suggest me some content. Here it says, we are committed digital marketing agency prepared to enhance your brand. I like this writing, so I'm going to click on this use this copy option. It changed our text. Now, if we want to change our image, we can simply click over here. I can simply click on this replace button, upload any image we want, or we can open our media library. We can upload images from here, choose an existing image from our media library, or we can go to pixels and get the image we want. So let's use this. I'm going to search for an image. I have written agency. Now I'm going to click on the search button. Now you can see these are the pixel images that we are being suggested. I like this image and I can simply click on this small button over here to download this image. After the download is complete, the image is added to our media library. So having this selected, I'm going to click on this select button and our image has been placed over here. That was so easy to do. If we want to design it, we can simply go to the Style tab. Make sure to have this image selected. And from the Style tab, we can go to the Mask settings. From here, we can see it says Mask Shape. If I click over here, we can choose any design, the circle design, diamond, and I think the blob one, this is a good design. Now this design is looking a lot better. Okay, so that is how you can change your image. You can further customize this from here by choosing background color, borders, border radius, or experimenting with different images. Okay, but we are fine with this. So we're going to scroll down. Over here you can see our values. Here are some texts and some images with text. We can also customize these images and settings from here. Now let's scroll down. Now in this section we can see there's a bold text over here. We also want to add a little bit more text over here. So let's hit enter on keyboard. From here we're going to choose the advanced text. And this is the H tool. We are going to choose the paragraph. And here we are going to choose this Kadence AI. And you can see we don't have any suggestions here anymore. So let's write some content. So after writing this, the AI suggested its own text. From here we can make it shorter. Okay, we can make it even shorter. Okay, and this is the text that we like. So we can click on use this. And here's our text. You can see how easy it is to add in text, customize those texts with AI, and build your website even faster. Okay, now we're going to see the design library feature, which helps you create your pages and different sections of your pages a lot faster. So after you customize your website, simply click on this update button to save your changes. Now we are going to go back. Okay, we are back in our dashboard. We are going to go back to pages. Here you can see all the pages we have. To create a new page, we can simply click on this add new page button. Here we can add a title to our page. This is our team page. Here you can use Gutenberg blocks to design your entire page. If you guys want to learn how to use Gutenberg blocks to design your web pages, check out our other videos where we show you in details how to create your WordPress website using the blocks. But here, let's use the design library. I'm going to simply click on this button. And here you can see there are two options, by design and with AI. If we click on by design, you can scroll through the pages by design, or if we want to create with AI, we can select this. Here we can also choose patterns, and you can see there are so many options over here. For our purpose, we are going to select this themes section, and you can see there are so many suggestions over here. We can simply click on the structure that we like. This is a design that I think is looking great, so I'm going to click on it. Alright, we imported everything just with one click. Now if we click on this publish, our page has been published. Now let's view the page. You can see that our section is boxed in and it's not looking that great. To solve this problem, let's edit our page. And then from here, we're going to choose the page settings. Now it's going to give us a bunch of settings and options for our page. For page title, we're going to click on disable, and page layout, we're going to choose the full width. Now we're simply going to click on update button, and now let's view our page. You can see it's just so easy to craft different sections. Now, if you want to change these texts, you can easily do so. You can also improve it with AI and add in more content. That's just so easy to do. And you already know how easy it is to change the images and the text over here, right? So that is how you can use Kadence AI to build websites within minutes. So we created this entire website using the Kadence AI, and we customized some texts to make this website really our own. If you guys aren't using Kadence AI, I think you should give it a try because it's really innovative and it makes our designing a lot faster. That brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.